Amazon EFS provides a simple, scalable, fully managed elastic network file system, NFS, for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. The service manages all the file storage infrastructure for you, meaning that you can avoid the complexity of deploying, patching, and maintaining complex file system configurations. Amazon EFS supports the Network File System version 4 protocol, NFS version 4.1 and NFS version 4.0, so the applications and tools that you use today work seamlessly with Amazon EFS. Amazon EFS is highly scalable. It is built to scale on demand, to petabytes, without disrupting applications growing and shrinking automatically as you add and remove files. Amazon EFS is designed to provide massively parallel shared access to thousands of Amazon EC2 instances, where they can access the data in EFS at the same time. This enables your applications to achieve high levels of aggregate throughput and IOPS with consistent low latencies. Amazon EFS is a regional service that is designed to be highly available and highly durable. It stores data within and across multiple availability zones, AZs. Amazon EC2 instances can access your file system across AZs, regions, and VPCs, while on-premises servers can access using AWS Direct Connect or AWS VPN. Amazon EFS is well suited to support a broad spectrum of use cases, from home directories to business-critical applications. Customers can use EFS to lift and shift existing enterprise applications to the AWS cloud. Other use cases include web serving and content management, big data analytics, application development and testing, media and entertainment workflows, database backups, and container storage. Amazon EFS is designed for Linux-based application. In addition, Amazon FSx provides you with two file systems from which to choose. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, for Windows-based applications, and Amazon FSx for Lustre, for compute-intensive workloads.